How to find and recover deleted Facebook messages. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily find and recover deleted Facebook messages. So first thing, just head over to your messages, and the first method what I'm going to show you is that you might have accidentally archived your messages from the messenger. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your menu section and at the bottom right, and then just click on this archive button over here, and you will be seeing all of your archived messages just like this, and you can unarchive this particular message just like this. So that's one way to recover your messages, deleted Facebook messages. So the other way is that if you have completely deleted that particular messages, and if it's not even available in the archive section, then what you can do is just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged in with the same account which you used in the messenger application. So from over here, just tap on this profile section at the top and just click on settings, gear icon over here, and all you have to do is just click on this account center and scroll down until you see the option called your information and permission under the account settings. So just click on it and just click on download your information from over here, and just again click on download, and here you'll have to choose between these two options within specific type of information or complete information. So just tap on specific type, since we only want a particular or specific section of files to download. That means we have to download messages. So just tap on messages and just click on next. And if you want to download, since we want to download this on our device, just tap on download this device and just select the format, media quality, just like this. And once you select a specific date range from when you want the messages to be, just click on it. And then the final thing you can do is just add an email over here. And so once you add in your email, they will be sending that files, this recovering file, to that particular Gmail. And just click on next from over here, and as you can see, the reminder has been set, so they will be sending the file over to your Gmail. So when they send it, you can just view it from over there. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.